Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix cannot send message due to this user privacy settings. This error occurs when someone on TikTok uses privacy that no one can send him message without his permission. If you know the person you are sending message and he has not done anything, then I will tell you how this error occur. For example, if I want to send a message to a person, then this kind of error occurs. Now, without wasting any time, I will tell you how to solve this problem. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go back and you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on free up space. Here you have to clear the cache if it is present. After doing that, what you have to do is you have to search for report a problem. In report a problem, you have to search for the topics which is as a direct message. After some loading, the topic will appear as you have to click on direct message, and here you have to select what is the problem you are facing. And none of the problem you are facing here, so you have to click on other, and after that what you have to do is you have to click on no because you are already facing that problem. After that, you have to click on need more help, and here you can explain that problem to TikTok team so that they can solve it for you as soon as possible. Here you can also attach the screenshot of the problem you are facing. After doing so that, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team, and within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.